welcome to yet another episode of How to Be a Non-Cook in the Modern Kitchen. I know we have taken you through some very, very exciting episodes, but I guarantee you tonight is going to be something very special. In past episodes we have told you how to avoid the refrigerator, but tonight we will take you right to the heart of the matters in the kitchen, and that is the microwave. So, let's get started, shall we? First, we will begin with your standard kitchen mug. Little tea will be a lovely thing, don't you think, this time of night? So yeah, let's get started with that. In goes the tea. Lovely. Of course, it's important to have a sign on the microwave that tells you not to use it, just in case you thought you were a cook or something. But anyways, after you've gotten done heating your tea, always put the tea bag in there. Water will break and explode and do all sorts of nasty things. Let's see what we've got. Oh my goodness, a lovely cup of... Good heavenly days, not what I expected. Let's try that again. After you've heated your mug, let's try that again and have a lovely cup of... I think that might be a little tough on the teeth, don't you think? Well, let's try something again. Good heavenly days! Nothing like... Well, you must sip it very carefully. Oh, it's hot. Yes, don't even bother with that. Oh my goodness! And lastly... Well, I didn't know about you. I don't usually put garlic in my tea, and that really wasn't what I expected either. Heavenly days! Oh my goodness, and here we are. This, a fabulous cup of tea. With a little Peter Rabbit on the outside. No, really, doesn't get much better than that. That wasn't really what I expected. I don't think I realized I hadn't put anything in that mug. Oh well, that would be why I have this episode on how to be a non-cook. So, I think that wraps it up. Use the microwave that says don't use, and you'll end up with a boot and other things. Always a party in my kitchen. I hope you'll come back again. Thank you so much, and good night.